Hey YouTube, this is Dan. We're here at the Macdill Air Force Base for the Air Fest today. The Blue Angels will be up later, so stay around. It should be a great show. But first, the F-22 Raptor going through its paces. Here, the F-22 Raptor shows off its slow flight capabilities. Absolutely amazing. The C-17 Globemaster 3. This aircraft can carry 170,000 pounds of cargo. It's 174 feet long and a wingspan of 169 feet. Here is the Blue Angel support aircraft, affectionately called Fat Albert. And those are the Blue Angels, the star of today's show. Thanks for coming along today to see the Blue Angels and these other aircraft, the P-51 Mustang and the F-4U Corsair. They are the reason we still speak English. And Matt Yonkin put on a tremendous show in his Beech 18, leaving a magnificent smoke trail in the sky. Please remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time on D2 Destinations.